Hello everyone, I'm the head teacher at PTE BYB English. In today's video, we're diving deep into the fill in the blanks reading and writing section. This is a high-stakes task that can make or break your score, so I'm going to share everything you need to master it and boost your PTE results. In this first part, we are going to cover the essentials of FIBRW. Take a good look at the screen. This is exactly what you will see on test day. The passage provided is approximately 120 to 200 words long, and together we are going to learn how to approach it effectively. Let's look at the structure. You'll find 4 to 5 missing words within the text. Each blank offers a choice of 4 to 5 different options. To succeed in this test, you must evaluate all choices and identify the correct one for every blank in the passage. The exam includes between 5 and 6 FIBRW exercises. You will have between 29 and 30 minutes to finish all tasks in the reading section, as it is group time. Be careful. Overspending your time on this task means you won't have enough minutes left to finish the rest of the reading section. Don't get stuck. Aim for under 2 minutes per FIBRW question. Since this task provides 29% of your reading and 25% of your writing marks, it is arguably the most important question type to master for your PTE success. Now, let's look at how you're scored. Each right answer gives you 1 point. And since there are no penalties for wrong answers, guessing is your best friend. Don't leave any gaps. Even if you're stuck, choose an option. You have a 1 in 4 chance, 25% of getting it right, which is far better than a guaranteed 0 for leaving it blank. Depending on your target score, your accuracy goals will vary. If you're aiming for 79 or above, you need to hit at least 80% accuracy in FIBRW. That means missing no more than 1 blank per question. For a target of 65 plus, aim for 70%, which allows for a maximum of 2 mistakes. And if you're targeting 50, you should focus on getting at least half of the blanks correct. Be your best in English.